Seattle's new ferry terminal. Rebuilt, beautiful, finished. Pedestrian bridge, artwork, sculptures, fountains, everything. It's all done. I heard they may build another one too for Kitsap. Anyway, very nice. I like it. Did a good job. I've taken it many times. I haven't seen these before. This is new. Seattle Reborn. You know, it's funny, it says Seattle Ferry Terminal, but it's really Washington State. And believe me, it's all the cities around here. So yeah, that's the new ferry terminal. Pedestrian bridge, which I think I've taken videos or photos of before, but it is done. Okay, you guys take care. Have a good day. I'm walking home. Take care. Bye.